Right now, I am doing PhD at Islamic University and the Department of International Institute of Islamic Thought and Civilization. My topic is the role of Madrassa education in social changes, the case of Pakistan and Malaysia. Uh, Introduction. Madrasa have historically played a pivotal role in imparting religious education. They act as influential institutions in shaping the moral and social fabric of society. In both Pakistan and Malaysia, madrasa contribute to social changes but differ in structure and approach. This research examines how these institutions impact societal reform and what are the challenges and strategies. Objectives of the study. Number one, explore how madrasa education influences social transformation. And number two, compare the impact in Pakistan and Malaysia, analyze challenges faced by madrasa in both countries, and identify potential reforms and pathways for better societal integration. To do case study on Madrassa.pk, Jamiatul Rashid Karachi, and Minhaj al-Quran from Pakistan, and some traditional madrasas from Malaysia. Background of madrasa system, if we see and search according to Malaysia madrasa or in Pakistan, the madrasa system has roots in the early Islamic education focusing on religious sciences. In Pakistan, madrasas gained importance during in the 1980s in Ziaul Haq's government. In Malaysia, they evolved through colonial periods, adapting to changing educational needs. Both systems serve underprivileged communities by providing free education system and lodging. We see the madrasa education system in Pakistan. Over 30,000 plus madrasas operate in Pakistan from different sects, offering free religious education. They play a role in fostering religious values, supporting vulnerable populations. However, they face criticism for limited curricula focused on religious sciences. Some madrasas have diversified, integrating formal education subjects like Jamiatul Rashid, Minhaj al-Quran, and Baitul Salam. Right now we see on the screen madrasa education system in Malaysia. Malaysian madrasas pondok system, in Arabic language fundok. They get the name pondok, and tahfiz schools are regulated by both state and federal authorities. They balance Islamic teachings with modern education such as sciences and technologies. There is greater emphasis on vocational skills and community development. The government supports modernization efforts while preserving traditional values. However, there are many madrasas in Kelantan state focus on just traditional education system. When we concern about social impact of madrasa, so in Pakistan, madrasas contribute to spread the authentic religious knowledge, produce the Huffaz al-Quran, ulama, muftis to the society, and contribute to moral development, but have limited socio-economic mobility and their influences divided in the different sects. Malaysia, graduates engage in community services, improving social cohesion, However, Malaysian madrasas also focus on religious education. That's why they have limited impact in society, socio-economic development. What is the challenges? What is the challenge faced by madrasas in both countries? So in Pakistan, there are 5 big challenges. Number 1, funding constraints. And number 2, education dualism, Islamic and secular educations. So number 3, teachers training system. And number 4, modern skills. There is the very lacking the modern skills in Pakistani madrasas. And number 5, sectarian divide. This is the that's why our scholars, they play role in just one sect, and there are many sects. That's why they cannot do globally. And also the language problem, they don't have international languages skills. That's why they cannot explain our thoughts to the in front of the world. In Malaysia, balancing religious traditions with modernization efforts is the problem and challenge. Teachers training system, and third, modern skills. Proposed reforms and recommendations. Number 1, integrating formal education with religious teachings. And number 2, standardizing curricula to improve quality and public trust. And number 3, enhancing teacher training programs. Government and civil society collaboration for effective reforms. At the last, we are going to the conclusion. Madrasas remain relevant to both Pakistan and Malaysia as agent of social change. Reform efforts must address local context to be effective. Balanced approach can ensure madrasas contribute positively to society. Future research should focus on measuring long-term impacts of reforms. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.